You will never enjoy your free time properly if you don't have a good hobby. My name is Anna, and reading is the hobby I enjoy the most. I usually read in the evening after finishing my homework and daily tasks. I like story and adventure books because they are interesting and exciting. Reading helps me learn new words and improve my English. Sometimes I visit the library to find new books. Reading makes me calm and relax. I also share interesting stories with my friends. They enjoy listening to me and learning with me. I hope to read many books and become a better reader in the future. You will never have fun if you never explore new places. My name is Anna, and I love visiting new places. One of my favorite places is the park near my house. I enjoy walking on the green grass and playing on the swings. Sometimes I feed the birds and watch the colorful flowers bloom. The fresh air and sunshine make me feel happy and relaxed. I like to go to the park with my friends and play games. We have fun while running, laughing, and exploring together. Visiting new places helps me learn about nature and the world around me. I hope to visit many more parks, beaches, and exciting places soon. If you want to learn more English conversations like this, please like, share, and subscribe.